What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today we are making movie popcorn. And I don't know about y'all, but I want to enjoy some movie popcorn without actually going to the movies. And as you can see, these are the two ingredients that I will be using to create this movie butter popcorn. And I got that buttery coconut oil from Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. So you just want to take about 2 tablespoons of butter and let that melt down. And we're going to use some of that popcorn salt for a little bit. And when I say a little bit, just a little bit, because a little goes a long way. You don't want your popcorn to be too salty. And we're just going to mix that all up together. So once you allow it to heat up, we're going to place about 2 or 3, maybe 4 kernels in there. And you want to move them around. Once they pop, you can dump the rest of your kernels in there. So as you can see, they've popped. So I'm just going to scoop them out with my spoon. And I'm taking about 1/4 cup of kernels and putting the lid back on and moving that around, just so if they sit there in one spot too long, they will burn and they won't pop. So keep that in mind. You just want to keep it moving. So this part is like popping popcorn in the microwave. Once that popping stops, you can remove it from the heat. And of course, you want to grab you a bowl, pour some in there, and you can top it with more popcorn salt. Or if you have any other topping that you would like to go on your popcorn, you can do that as well. Toss them up and you can enjoy with a nice movie night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share to a friend. And I will see you in my next video.